What's up, guys? All right, so I'm going to give you an easy way to trade US30 for 2024. Now, to showcase this, I'm going to break down the trades I took as well as the market and how it played out today. And to show you guys that I'm not capping, I'm going to actually show you guys a timestamp that I posted in my Discord. So if you guys go to it, guys can see it right here. It says 10:04 a.m. And then also, if you go general chat, this right here is where I took it to, my take profit as well as my entries. All right, so now that that's out the way, let's actually showcase it on the charts. Let me move it out the way over here. All right, so we first have to understand that we are trading the Dow at all-time high territory. So understanding that this is basic structure, right? The market is not going to do this. Not going to keep going all the way up or all the way down, right? The market's going to come up, make an all-time high, come down, continue going up, and so forth, right? So understanding that, we have to know exactly how to go about trading it. So for starters, we know that the market opened up and we had a huge gap over here. Do I need to replay it? No, I got to do that. Yeah, I can do that. I can do it. Right. So we understand that when the market opened up, we had a crazy gap, right? So understanding the gap as well. Hold on, let's just continue moving forward. All right. So now we are, let me just speed this up real quick, 10:15. Let's go to, all right, first one. And this is at 4 o'clock. I wasn't up yet. This is at 5:45. All right, first entry. Dope. Yeah, first entry was over here. All right, so the reason why I had took that entry because let me go back to what I was saying. So whenever we trade the Dow and we have all-time highs, what we want to do is focus on what's moving the Dow. Now we have to remind ourselves that Fibonacci, that is the institutional level of support resistance. So trading the Dow is an institution, right? So when we're utilizing Fibonacci, it's best to use that for all-time highs when we're dealing with the Dow. So when you understand that as well, if you have like, hey, I don't know where to take my take profit to, use Fibonacci. So if we go and break it here, what I did to get that entry, I actually took it from here. I took it from this low. I took it from this low and I took it to this high. You have it right there. So you guys can see I took it from that low and then to this high at 971, right? So looking at that, when I woke up this morning, right now, what oil price did, we're sitting on 23.6%, which is also to close that gap. Understanding that, I'm like, yeah, this is definitely going to go up. More likely is like mainly because of that, right? So 2 rejections of that, close the gap as well. We have that retest for London. We're good. I'm not worried about price coming down. And then lastly, we have to break 971. All right. There. We have, 969. We have to break that. Why? Because if we break that, then more likely we have no problem going to negative 27%. Now, if you guys are not aware, whenever we break 0% on the fib, 9 times out of 10, we're going to negative 27%. And that's the reason why I took it there, right? So price that came up. And right now, we are not near market open yet. Price is going. We are at 9:15. Market's getting ready to open up. All right, we had that huge gap over here to retest London. All right, that happens often as well, but I'll see that for another video. We have the retest of London, a break of it is 0%, and then our next take profit would be negative 27%, which is 38,075. As you guys can see, price did get there. We got a little bit above that before we had a little retracement. Now, understanding this, I was saying to myself, why did we actually surpass that and not continue moving forward? And I realized that, oh, wait, I should have aligned my fib correctly. I left money on the table. And sometimes that's going to happen. But if we do the actual fib correctly, if we take it from this low instead, it lines up even more why it went to negative 27 at 38,110. Literally right there. You guys see it. I took it from this low to this high, right? Price came down, never broke 23.6. So we know that it's not a true retracement. And then price broke out of the zero, went to negative 27%. So guys, just want to close up real quick. That is by far the easiest way that you can go to trade the Dow. Understand how Fibonacci works whenever we're dealing with all-time highs and take it from level to level. Now, if you guys want this on a daily breakdown, and especially how it comes to live trading, join my Discord at Profit Society. I do this every single day. I break down the fundamentals of the market. I break down from a technical point of view. And again, live trading to make it easy so you can make a lot more money. Click the link in my bio, and I'll see you inside.